lot of the toxic gases that are in our environment, you know, car exhaust, jet exhaust, all that sort of thing, all that stuff is actually heavier than air, so it tends to sink low right in that zone where our dogs and our cats are living. So they're actually breathing more of that stuff than we are. You know, when your dog or your cat is laying on your couch or your carpet, there's flame retardants that are in those materials, and they're just breathing that stuff in. And you know, that is, over the long haul, that's creating problems.
Pesticides, flea and tick treatments. We are putting poisons on the back of the necks of animals, or pills in their bodies that change the biochemistry of the blood, so when a flea or tick bites you and drinks your blood, it dies. That's not going to cause any cancer. There was a study that was done on this that showed in 1989, and it was muzzled and hidden, that there was a 60% increase in bladder cancer by just putting these pesticide treatments on our animals.
Like the flea and tick collars.
Like the flea and tick collars.
Wow.
Heartworm pills do not make dogs healthy. And if you look at the side effects reported on heartworm pills, it's a myriad of side effects. So by preventing these diseases, we are putting chemicals or noxious agents in the body that actually have sometimes more side effects than the disease itself.
There are 6 Roundup ready crops sprayed with Roundup that are genetically engineered. Soy, corn, cotton, canola, sugar beets, and alfalfa. In pet foods, you're going to have soy products, you're going to have corn products, you might have cottonseed meal, you might have canola meal. Alfalfa is used certainly in horse food, and so are sugar beet pulp in horse food. So you end up feeding the byproducts of these Roundup ready crops to pets, to horses, and also to livestock.
My dad actually worked, you know, for Dow Chemical through Monsanto to help create GMO corn. And one of the things during the corn project that they told him is that, you know, we're going to help feed the world. That's why we're doing this. And you know, anytime we try to play God and try to do it better than God, it's just a design for disaster, and we're seeing that everywhere.
Now, we know that glyphosate, and moreover the entire formulation of Roundup, which is what they used, is very toxic, and it has all sorts of effects on the body. And it was declared by the World Health Organization as a probable human carcinogen, class 2A. Now, they also determined that it is definitely a carcinogen for animals. So when we're talking about pets, it's not probable, it is an animal carcinogen, according to the World Health Organization's IARC committee, which makes the determination for the world.
Glyphosate, they have actually shown to alter the microbiome. It was actually patented as an antibiotic, as well as their other patents. It is patented as an antibiotic. But when you start altering the gut, you know, you look at the, you know, we tend to do pieces and parts medicine in standard medicine or Western medicine, but you can't. You have to look at the whole picture. And when you start altering the microbial population of the gut, you alter a whole spectrum of things that are occurring.
Imagine the 3 scientists that discovered that their own company's product caused the milk to have high levels of a carcinogen and refused to drink milk from cows treated with their own company's product. They found that the genetically engineered corn caused damage to rats. So instead of withdrawing the corn, they rewrote the study to hide the effects.